birthday party. I was surprised. You know the feeling when you didn't expect. I wasn't expecting anything. Sally, thank you very much, my love. Okay? Thank you very much. You know, appropriately, the song that we sang today, I think, is also with divine intervention, just as Jesus saved me from eternal damnation. Yeah, because it is choice between heaven and hell, and Jesus is real. I chose Jesus. I choose Jesus every day. I chose Him once He came to my life, so that He assured me of eternal salvation. No hell, but eternal salvation. Peace, John 3:16. Thank God, Jesus, and thank you, Sally. I want to make it short because you guys are hungry. Our mission in life is, their life after 65, I think I all downhill from there. When I was 40, everything went downhill. 50, more downhill. 65, I don't know, do I look 65? People ask me what's the secret. I think it's my faith in Jesus. I can stop talking about Him, sharing about Him, putting on Facebook, in a naughty way, in a spiritual way. I live and breathe Jesus. And He gave me a promise one day. If you believe in Him, He'll give you that promise too. Heaven with Jesus, peace, no tears, all joy. He gave me Sally. He gave me a mission in life. I've chose my master, Jesus. I've chose my mate, Sally. I have a mission in life. What do we do after retirement? I don't know. I'm still praying. We're still praying about it. We're still praying about it. Again, thank you for coming. My beautiful friends, lovely friends, neighbors, colleagues, high school classmates. It could be my last birthday, right? I don't know. You know, superstitious that, but I have diabetes, hypertension. But you know what? You know what? Everything's under control because Jesus is in control. I love my family and my siblings. I love them very much. Love you to death. So enjoy the night. Remember, life is short. Tomorrow's the promise. Believe in Jesus. That's it. That's what life is all about. All this nothingness around us, right? Hillary Clinton, ISIS, you know, everything will pass by except His word in Jesus. I can stop, I can tell you about Jesus. Even tonight, let's glorify Him. I glorify Him on my 65th birthday. Thank you, Sally. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.